What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be an at-home workout. I am in Nova Scotia, Canada, and our gyms have closed for at least 2 weeks. So that means I have to use what I can and work out from home. I'm going to be trying to post as much as I can on here, as well as my Instagram and TikTok of my little at-home workouts and little tips and tricks for motivation and what I'm following while I am going to be training from home. So if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, I'll put my little Instagram handle on the screen here for you guys. Follow me, be my friend, send me a message if you have any questions. Same thing with TikTok. You can check me out there. The link is going to be in the description for you guys. If you guys didn't watch my last video, it was a Black Friday try-on haul from Gymshark. So the stuff that I'm going to be wearing in this video is all from that sale. So you guys kind of want to see what it looks like when someone's actually working out with it on. This video will show you that. If you guys want to see all the things that I bought, I did 2 orders from their Black Friday sale, and they are going to be linked in the description box below, as well as I'll put them on the screen for you guys if you guys want to check them out. Don't forget to give them a thumbs up, as well as this video a thumbs up if you guys are enjoying that kind of content or this kind of content from me. So after this workout, we are going to be making some overnight oatmeal. So I love protein oatmeal. I have it every single day. I kind of want my roommate to find one that she enjoys too. So a good friend of mine has a great recipe, and I'm going to try it out. So I will link his original video down below for you guys if you guys want to see the way he makes protein oatmeal. I'll just be using one of his recipes, making it in this video with what I have available, and letting you guys know what I think. So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and get into this workout. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new, and we'll see you guys in a few minutes. So we're gonna go in and do a back workout today. I'm gonna do probably 6 to 7 exercises. I have dumbbells being used for some of them, but it's mainly just bands. You guys have things at home that are like weighted, like you can do a book bag with books in it. To get kind of creative with weight, you can do that for the movements that I'm doing with dumbbells. And just try your best to get creative, stay motivated, take some pre-workout if you need to, have a coffee, feel energized, feel focused, and you know, plan it out, write it down. I have everything written down for my workout today, so I know exactly what I'm gonna do, what time I'm gonna do it, and that's how I stay organized and motivated. So let's go ahead and get into this session. Okay guys, so I'm here with Emily. We're about to make some overnight oats. Emily's gonna try it out tomorrow morning and I'll just pop that in at the end of this. But I got this recipe from my friend Jason. I'm gonna link his channel up above here as well as in the description box. He did 3 oatmeal recipes in this particular video that I'm linking. And I'm just gonna be doing the cinnamon one. Don't have light whipped cream, so I'm not gonna have that in this recipe. But we're just gonna use everything else and kind of just, you know, make up for it, I guess. I don't really know what we're gonna do. We'll either add something else to it or we'll just omit it altogether. You guys just use what you have. I'll link the full recipe down below too. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make it now. Excited, Emily?
I'm fired up, mate. I love overnight.
Okay, so it's the next morning. We're gonna taste test these oats. So Emily's not an oatmeal fan, naturally.
And I'm gonna make a face, but it doesn't mean I don't like it.
That's true. And also, like, oatmeal texture, especially overnight, is like squishier. But there's yogurt and stuff in it, and you like that.
It is squish. Oh, it's like pudding. Cold.
It's supposed to be cold.
Okay.
I like it. It's good.
Weird, I was not expecting it to be cold because
she watched me take it out of the fridge.
I did.
Would you prefer that over regular oatmeal?
Yeah.
So you would eat it. Anyways, yeah, it is really good. It's a great alternative, super high protein. So we use vanilla yogurt. You can just use plain yogurt, switch it up, do what you want. But yeah, overall, 10 out of 10. We like it. Good recipe. Get creative, guys. And that's gonna be it for today's video. So thanks for watching. See you guys on Wednesday.